Oh, I'm so tired. I've been watching a lot of Baki recently. If you don't know what that is, that's like a fighting anime. It has like a super strong like 17-year-old named Baki who like fights all these criminals and like tournaments and stuff, and it's pretty gory and pretty cool. What I noticed, they have a bunch of close-up side profiles of faces. So that's kind of what I wanted to do today. I'm excited. I'm gonna mix up some paint, do the outline, then we'll come back and do the actual thing. There, we got the face like generally outlined. I think I'm happy with the outline. It turned out okay. I'm gonna go ahead and use a roller and fill in the skin tone. All right, let's fill it in. Skin tone is now filled in. It's getting kind of dark. I'm gonna set up some lights so we can see. Now we can see. So I'm gonna be using some Resto for the highlights and the shadows. Could be a mistake, I don't know. Yeah, but it's the first one, so we're still learning. It's a bit of an unforeseen detail. My forearm is sore. God. I need to get in shape. Shadows, highlights are in. Now it's time for the outline. Let's keep it going. Sound effects. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It is dark out now. Got most of it done. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with the way it turned out. This is actually Baki's girlfriend. I forgot her name, I need to look it up. And this is right before the sex scene. If you know, you know. New day, I can definitely see more colors now. So I'm gonna add in some more details and we'll wrap this up.
Black boots, heading on the highway. New car, trying to forget about me.
I think I'm done. Honestly, I feel like it's missing something, I just don't know what. I did find out if you paint over wet spray paint with the acrylic will crack. I tried to add some lettering in, but I just didn't like the way it looked in terms of like composition, so I took it out. But for now, let's call this piece 3 done. I have some ideas on what I want to try. I'll be honest, I'm a little bit nervous to go in and like try something. So I'm gonna use this as a base for my next 1 or 2 pieces. That way, if I do mess up or I don't like it, at least I have this one in the books. Which is kind of a great thing about this wall because like all street art's temporary. But at least here I have a chance to build on my projects. If you like the content, feel free to follow along, hit subscribe, like, share a comment. Either way, I hope you have a good day. I'll see you in the next video.
Back up. That's the greeting you gon' get if you step up.
That is a wrap.